Welcome to the Mushroom Network. And for this episode of the Mushroom Minute, we take a galactic turn as we explore the realms of the Jedi Mind F, a distinct PC strain. The name suggests an intense experience, and it doesn't disappoint. It's prized for its robust and vivid visuals, but as with all PC strains, check your local laws and provisions for any restrictions beforehand, as they can vary greatly. And as a friendly reminder, the Mushroom Network only offers these kind of genetics for microscopic use only. This strain showcases caps with intricate, golden patterns reminiscent of distant galaxies far, far away. Among mycologists and enthusiasts, it's known for its consistent growth, making a dense mycelium network in the process. Unlock the universe of fungi with the Mushroom Network's marketplace. Dive deep into the mysteries of mycology with us. And don't forget to visit our Mushroom Academy for free and paid online mycology courses.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.